Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Paysafe card on PS5. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To use Paysafe card on your PS5, you'll need to add funds to your PlayStation Store wallet. Here's how you can do it. First of all, sign in to PlayStation TM Store by selecting Sign In from the top right of the screen. Now select your online ID, then Payment Management, and then Add Funds and select Paysafe card. After that, enter the 16-digit PIN code from your Paysafe card. Now select the amount and click Add Funds. And that's how you can use Paysafe card on PS5. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.